Looks like you have. Now you're real good with them tools.
Thank you, pal.
Those skills are gonna come in handy when this feud war starts again. Could be any time now, being this close to the Mississippi.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Best we keep working, keep living.
It's 100 to 1, pa.
They won't take away my life worry. You know that fear inside you, son? It's gonna get you killed one day.
Why are you always attacking me like that, pa?
Not attacking you. I'm just trying to hone your tools. Fear's the worst one of all, you see.
Just like you always said, pa. Scared man's easy pick.
That's a good saying and all, but there's a difference between walking the path and knowing the path.
I'll try and work on that, pa.
So, you ever hear talk about them machines that can make a man fly?
Well, sure, pa. Everybody knows about that. You know they're gonna be bringing one of those machines around the country next year for demonstration? Well, them machines can turn men into angels.
One of them machines can turn men into angels.
John! Hey! Come here! Come here, quick! Take enter that!
Jack, go into the house and lock all the doors. Whatever happens, don't come outside. You hear me? Whatever happens.
Okay.
Come here, son. Whatever happens, keep the doors locked and your mother inside. Promise me, son. Promise me.
Who is it, pa?
Just some old friends. Me and Uncle will take care of it. Now you go inside and keep the doors and windows locked.
I hear you.
Then run!
Yeah, run, boy!
Well, old man, looks like things is gonna get settled once and for all.
So it seems. Come on! Don't kick on the family, boy!
What are we gonna do now?
What's wrong? What's happened?
Stay inside, you hear? Like I said, there'll be more coming.
Shoot straight.
Pa, what do they want?
They want to settle the score once and for all.
Uncle, you okay?
Confound it, hit!
Hang in there, Uncle. I'm gonna get you out of here safe.
There ain't time now. I ain't gonna make it off this boat anyway. You take that. Take them and. Don't worry about me. Get them out of here.
No! Uncle, please! Oh my God! They killed him! Come on, son. There ain't nothing we can do for him now. We're leaving the farm. I'll watch from the silo. You two go to the barn and get the horses ready.
John!
I'll meet you there.